Wells Fargo provides two convenient methods to access your bank statements online. You can use either the desktop website or the mobile app to view and download your statements. The first method is using Wells Fargo Online Banking through your desktop or web browser. The second method is using the Wells Fargo mobile app available for both iOS and Android devices. For desktop access, start by visiting wellsfargo.com and signing into your account using your username and password. Once logged in, navigate to Account Summary, select your desired account, then click on Statements and Documents. You can then choose your statement period and download it as a PDF. For mobile access, open the Wells Fargo mobile app and sign in using your credentials or biometric authentication. Select your account from the dashboard, tap Statements and Documents, choose your date range, and download the PDF. As of 2025, Wells Fargo provides access to up to 7 years of statement history online. Your statements become available immediately after each statement cycle closes, giving you comprehensive access to your banking history. Wells Fargo bank statements contain comprehensive information to help you track your finances. Each statement includes several key components that provide a complete picture of your account activity. Wells Fargo has implemented advanced security measures to protect your financial information. Multi-factor authentication adds an extra layer of protection beyond just your password. Biometric authentication, such as fingerprint and facial recognition, provides a more secure and convenient way to access your account compared to traditional passwords. Your statement data is protected through end-to-end encryption, ensuring that your financial information remains secure during transmission and storage. Wells Fargo maintains secure data centers with advanced access controls and continuous monitoring to protect your information around the clock. To maximize your account security, follow these essential best practices when accessing your Wells Fargo statements online. By understanding these statement features and following security best practices, you can safely and effectively manage your Wells Fargo banking online while protecting your financial information.